This is Wes from Summerset Grills, aka the Grillin' Villain, and it's Food Friday. Today we're grilling John Wayne cowboy ribeyes. We're grilling today, you should be too. We're enjoying good times, fellowship, and camaraderie. If you'd like to grill something, you can grill some steaks or any dish you'd like. Simply do that. You can post it on Instagram and tag Summerset Grills. You'll win a free t-shirt. We're gonna prepare a spice mix today, a rub to put on our ribeyes, and we're going to use several ingredients. We've got about 8 or 9 of them here. We're going to add some salt. We're going to do some red pepper. We're going to do some black pepper. We're going to do some lemon pepper, a lot of peppers here. We've got some garlic powder. We got some ground thyme, T-H-Y-M-E. And we've got some parsley flakes. That is going to be our mix for our rub, and we're going to mix that up and we're going to apply that to our ribeyes. This is my favorite part of our little show here on Fridays, is when I get to light the American Muscle Grill. This is the state-of-the-art grill in the whole industry. It's a 36-inch multi-fuel grill. We're going to be cooking on gas as well as solid fuels. Solid fuels I'm going to use today are lump coal. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on our lights. I'm going to reach in here, turn on my gas. I got 110,000 BTUs. We're going to go ahead and leave the gas on for probably 3 or 4 minutes. We'll shut it off. At that point, my solid fuels will be ignited and they'll be cooking on their own. Okay, I've had the gas lit for about 3 to 4 minutes on the American Muscle Grill. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. So now our lump coal has all the fuel it needs, and just let her cruise here for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'll break it down, get a nice white ash, and then we'll go ahead and throw these ribeyes on. Okay, I'm going to check the coals, see if we're ready. Oh yeah, nice white. Ooh, very hot. Go ahead and drop the grate. Spray just a little Grill Master on there, just kind of make the grates a little non-sticky. We're going to go ahead and we're going to introduce our meat now. One thing about it, I'm going to put just a little olive oil on these ribeyes. Flip them over. This will help our rub stay on the meat as we turn them over here. I went ahead and took those ingredients, all the peppers, the lemon pepper, the garlic, the salt, the red pepper, etc., thyme, and I mixed it. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to generously apply this to our steak over here. Don't be afraid to use your hands. Get it on there. Flip it over. Get this side. Ample rub. We're going to go ahead and we're going to throw these things right on our fire right now. I'm going to throw on some poblano peppers here. They're like Anaheim peppers. They're like Pasilla peppers. They're not real hot. We're going to grill them up till they have a real fine black charring on the outside. When I get done with them, I'm going to throw them in a plastic bag for about 4 or 5 minutes. And the steam of the peppers themselves are going to allow us to kind of clean off some of the black char and be left with some really good tasting peppers. When I'm grilling, I'll leave the hood up. I've got really hot fire, of course, with the solid fuels, much more than just a regular gas grill or propane. So sometimes I'll put the lid down, but most of the time when I grill, I leave it up because I got ample heat because of the solid fuels on the American Muscle Grill. I'm going to go ahead and grab my John Wayne ribeyes. And we're going to take it off and we're going to plate it right now. Fairly simple with steaks. It's its own star. You don't need to add a lot of things with it. We're going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to go ahead and we're just going to put a little chunk of butter on each one of these, just like that. Just going to let that smother in. Can you smell that? Unbelievable. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw some peppercorns on there. Kind of aesthetic at the same time. Add some taste to it. Okay, I pulled off my peppers and I put them in a plastic bag and let them steam a little bit. Right now I'm using my delicate hands, pulling them out of the bag. We'll set them. And we're gonna go ahead and open them up and we're gonna scrape the char off. Oh yeah. There we go. Cooks them thoroughly, yet gives it that nice char, that good tasting 100-year-old red oak that we cooked these on. Beautiful, beautiful. Gonna turn it over, scrape the back off. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I like using my delicate hands on these specific operations like this. It just makes the food taste so much better. I feel so much more coordinated. Oh, nice, nice. Today we're going to go ahead and pair our John Wayne ribeyes with a North Coast Imperial Stout. These are bold, manly steaks, and this is an Imperial Stout that'll really bring out the flavors in this meat. This is my favorite part of the day. I'm going to go ahead and break open one of these North Coast Rasputin Imperial Stouts. Go ahead and pour it in this manly mug. Oh boy, look at that. That's like motor oil there. That's going to be a good one. Holy moly. That is an Imperial Stout. This is my favorite part of Food Friday. This is when I get to taste the goods. Cut it out. Another successful Food Friday. And remember, get outside and grill any meal you want. Take a picture, post it on Instagram, and tag Summerset Grills, and you'll get a free t-shirt. Remember, grill it, plate it, post it.